Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review D-Link's AC2600 MU-MIMO Wi-Fi extender, which is the DAP-1860. So let's get into it. If you have a big house or a lot of Wi-Fi dead zones, this Wi-Fi extender from D-Link is a perfect choice. It has a Wi-Fi dual band connectivity up to 1732 Mbps on a 5 GHz network and a 800 Mbps speed on a 2.4 GHz for maximum throughput with less Wi-Fi interference. It has a SmartConnect which helps allocate best possible band for optimal Wi-Fi performance. Setup is really easy. Using the QRS Mobile app, you will be rest assured that you will get an ultra fast wireless transfer rates for all your web browsing, HD media, streaming and gaming needs. The D-Link AC2600 Wi-Fi extender is fully installed. Let's quickly check the Wi-Fi speeds against my existing ISP Wi-Fi router. In my quick test of the Wi-Fi speeds, the D-Link AC2600 beats hands down my ISP router on both bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. So if you're looking to extend your Wi-Fi, eliminate dead spots and boost range of your existing Wi-Fi and create a strong signal in hard to reach areas and something to which fits your budget, then look no further and get the D-Link AC2600 DAP-1860. It's a perfect with ticking all the boxes and value for your money. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review request and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.